Hi, I'm Bill. Welcome to another video. Today I'm just going to show you a few updates on the greenhouse that I've been, that I got free on Facebook Marketplace. Also all the way my seeds are going, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. Give it a big fat thumbs up please, that really helps, and any comments really help my video, and if you can share it with your friends, that really helps me. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Yep, all the plants are growing very well. These super tomatoes I've got here, they did need potting on about a week ago, but I haven't been able to get the pots. But now they're in some big whopping pots. They should bounce back hopefully. But these super tomatoes grow like the clappers. Like if you can see the San Marzano there, look, they're exactly the same stage, and they haven't root bound their pots yet, and they're in 7cm pots. Whereas these, within about 2 weeks, root bounded their pots. Amazing growth. So absolutely, and the nasturtiums, they're bursting to go, absolutely bursting to go outside. But the weather hasn't been good, absolutely hasn't been good. But as I say, that's the same plant there. Look, that's the growth on that super tomato, and the lower leaves like to cut off, so it's getting too big. But look, exactly the same. Got some marigolds, violas, look, they're growing absolutely fantastic. Lavender, sorry, lavenders are growing all from seed, everything's on seed here. I really highly recommend these lights. Yeah, so basically this greenhouse was free on Facebook, and I was well chuffed with it. It's a really solid built greenhouse, and coming to a bit of a snag, to be fair, because the actual greenhouse is about a 20 centimetres down. It's concreted in. Now I guess the guy wanted it to last a lifetime, so we're going to have to ask the customers if we could borrow some power, and we're going to have to dig it all out and hammer jack it out. That's not like a great thing to do, but yeah, I really want this greenhouse now. As you can see, it's been a really labour and laugh, but I can't wait to get it in the garden and install it. Yep, all the potatoes are chitting all nice in the window there. These all Charlottes, as you can see, nice chits. I mean, look at those chits there, absolutely fantastic. Hi, well, I hope you liked that video. I just wanted to update you on my health. Lately, the last few years, after having my stroke 6 years ago, my brain hasn't been working exactly as I wanted it to. It's very hard for me to write messages properly, and spelling's really hard, and it's just the basic functions in life are really hard. Also, I've been getting numb fingers all the time, numb legs. I've had a MRI of my neck and my brain, and I'm just waiting for the results, but it's not been good. But the neurologist has put me on some new pills for the blood flow, apparently. Yeah, so it's amazing how some drugs actually control something else, but he said they do work for headache sufferers, migraine sufferers. So, and fingers crossed, they've been really good. I've only had one headache in about 3 weeks, and usually I have headaches every day, so major improvement. But yeah, so not exactly great, and it's been worrying me for weeks, so that's why I really haven't done many videos, and just been waiting for the neurologist to sort of give me a sort of definitive answer. But the pins and needles and the numbness is driving me mad, and I've been getting shooting pains in my arms and legs as well. I just can't figure out what it is, but it's been just constant. Imagine having constant numbness. It's knackering me out. Really is fatiguing me bad. But anyways, that's me for you. The unique Bill. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's only a short little one, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.